Hey guys, welcome back. I am playing along with this gorgeous kit from Tiara. I cannot get enough of how gorgeous this combo of papers is. So I have this, what to tell you. This is the Take Me Home kit, second layout I'm doing with it, and I've got some ideas. This paper here, which I've already used, just a little bit of it, it is called Set the Table. And I kept thinking about it, and I've got this idea about cutting out chunks going this way with this side and some with this side, right? I don't know where it's going to go. I know they want to be scuffed up. I'm going to use this piece here as a background. Now, it's almost a shame because this is like one of the most beautiful pieces of paper in the history of time. But I have two of them because I learned my lesson. You need the paper pack. That's how it is. Okay, so I know I'm going to do that. I know I'm going to do some scuffing. Now I've got this photo of my daughter being a goof. She made this cake, which was so good. It is an oatmeal cream pie cake, and it's super cute. She made it for her boyfriend's birthday. At the time it was her boyfriend. Now it's her fiancé. So I think I'm going to use this cute little Simple Stories piece and pop it right there. I just want to see her funny hand popping up. You don't see this one, so we're not going to miss all that much. And then you can still see the cake. Look at that. So I'm going to have that cute, cute, cute. Now, like I said, I'm not super sure where I'm going with this. It's just an idea. So I'm going to sign off for a few while I cut that up. And I'm starting with the piece that I've already cut into and I'm going to see if it gets me far enough. This is a background. I probably, knowing me, y'all, I'll probably come in with, ooh, that would be super cute. I'll probably come in with matting this with a little something, something, guys. I love all the pattern. I love all of the things. So yes, I apparently will be matting it with this nice seafoam colored called Lick the Spoon. I'm going to do that. I might also go ahead and take a look-see at our cardstock because it might be a good idea to break up these two patterns with something just a little bit calmer. So let's see, what do we have? What do we have for cardstock? I have got a basil white. I have got some pink. I've got seafoam. I wonder if I should just do like plain white, or do I come in with craft? I've got this. I mean, it's called Sandbox. I think I'm going to use Sandbox, guys. I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I keep making it up as we go along, I'm going to get a little tiny strip of Sandbox, not very big. I want a bigger piece with that gorgeous seafoam, and I think it'll break it up nicely. And then I'm going to scuff, 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 scuff. And I'll meet you right back here. So I went ahead, like I said, and I cut out a bunch of those strips on the wonk. They remind me a little bit of Charlie Brown. I grabbed the 3 Doodlebug doilies, and I'm going to incorporate them. Now, my last layout I created this shaker pocket, and it ended up being just a little too large for that particular layout. So I'm like, all right, I'll use it on this one. It's all fine. Now, I'm looking at some of these other things, and I'm thinking some of these large elements might really work because they've got a nice amount of weight, and I've got all of this really bold pattern paper, right? So what if we just see if something works? Now, this is somewhat calming, so that is fantastic. I love the deep, deep cherry red, kind of pinky red we have over there. We've got this nice ingredient sign here that brings a little bit of the pink. This piece right here is kind of working to bring in some of that really nice yellow. So I have 3 different really bold colors. I'm wondering about these 3 pieces, guys, about bringing them in as well. So if we had that one, and then, I kind of have this one here too. Maybe this should all be part of like the photo cluster. I think that would work. Now, let's see if we can bring in that nice deep green. And then this one, should we do the brownish color? Bring that in like that. So I'm just looking at creating 3 really nice size clusters with these goodies. Now let's see what else we have in here. I've got that gorgeous little ticket. I've got a pinky ticket right here. Do I have another ticket? It's like, might as well use all of the things, right? Ooh, this one's cute. It says remember on it. Cute. Oh, wait. I found a plain one. Because this picture was actually from May, so I don't necessarily need leaves gone on a tree. Okay, so I have that. Gather doesn't work for this. Love that, but the mason jar really works for her baking. What else do we have? We've got the salt and pepper. I love this little word that reads here. I know it should be like gather here, but we're not going to worry about that right now. What? Ooh, the flour and sugar. Oh, guys, that is so perfect for that. But I like my mason jar. What do we do? The problem is, if we take this away, which is not a big deal, we just have to restructure a thing. But I really think the flour and sugar is pretty nifty for this. So what if we readjust a little bit? Maybe we put the oven mitt over here. Great. Like that. That's still working. It is working. Okay, and I've used tons and tons and tons from here. I'm going to put that aside for now. Now, I also brought in that cute little flare that we have. Now I want to look at these goodies. So we have home, let's eat, fall la la, I think is adorable. Kitchen is cute. What's cooking might be really stinking cute. Because this is getting really loud. So I'm thinking maybe something like what's cooking. So let me put that there. I'm going to get all of these things stuck down. I'll meet you right back here. All right, y'all. So I've got these pieces tacked down. I don't have my tickets tacked down. And I don't have my flare or this ticket over here tacked down. So what I'm doing now, and guys, I think it's so cute. And if you're wondering why I have this blown out a little bit, I've had a bunch of subbies ask to see more of my desk space. So I'm going to try to do that now and again, when I remember. Anywho, like this little guy, I think I need a little bit more adhesive under this piece because it seems to be popping right up just like a little jack-in-the-box, and we don't want that. Okay, I mean, I know it's because I have this oven mitt in this funky area and all that. That's fine. That is fine. This is my doing. I am good with it. Now, I love the title. I've got this what's cooking here, love today here. All of that totally works for me. So now what I want to do is look at the rest of these goodies. Now I'm kind of concentrating on the Simple Stories goodies for this. And guys, one of my very favorite things, puffies and rub-ons. Oh my gosh, if I could get rub-ons in every kit in puffies, I would be the happiest girl. I totally would. So I'm going to grab whatever rub-ons work with just a piece of scrap paper. I'm using some smooth white so it goes on pretty easily because I want to tuck some of those goodies. We've got these gorgeous bits like little hearts. You can just boop, boop, boop wherever you need, and it is so easy to do. And then maybe some of this chipboard. So I've got a little bit more to look at, right? So I'm going to spend a little bit of time getting anything I can use from these rub-ons. Step 1. Then we're going to tuck them around, see what it looks like, and I will meet you right back here. All right, y'all. So what I did is I went ahead and kind of concentrated on these gorgeous florals. Okay, sorry. I went ahead and kind of concentrated on these amazing florals that are in the rub-on pack, and I'm going to pop them all up. Guys, look at how pretty. They're on smooth white cardstock, so now it's a great little embelly, right? On the foam sheets, I grabbed 3 hearts and this little whisk because I want to start putting like the little bits that keep it interesting. I also have 3 rub-on hearts and these gorgeous sequins. I mean, guys, look at my whisk. So I'm going to pop all these things on. I'm going to get a bunch of sequins on. I do still have to see if any of these colors will work for this. And I'm only looking for a little bit, so it may not in this case. Ooh, I love that. goldeny yellow. Anywho, a super pretty, gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Oop, this baby frame totally works. Totally matches. Does it want to be a shaker? It may want to be a shaker. Okay. So the word together does not work, but I'm wondering if I can make it a shaker and put something over that. All right, now I'm making shakers too. I don't even know what just happened, but it shall be pretty. We'll get all the goodies on there. I will come back and show you this finished layout. Guys, what is happening? All right, I'll be right back. I will show you this all finished up. Guys, I am loving, loving, loving this kit. It has all of these pieces and texture and different product lines and all good things. Okay, guys. One moment. So guys, I have this done. The last thing I want to do is do a little bit of splatty bits on this, and I want to do it in white. It needs a tiny bit of brightness, and guys, quite frankly, I like splatty bits. So, they go on almost all of my layouts. So I have a glass mat, which means I can spray directly onto my mat, and I'm going to use some Shimmers paint. There we go. Some Shimmers paint in whites of their eyes. It is this glorious formula that I love. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Let me find something to cover my photo. Yes, I've used this a bazillion times to cover photos. There we go. And I'm just going to get a little bit of nice splatty bits. That showed you nothing. Some nice splatty bits around in these clusters. And then, y'all, this layout will be done. So I will have, come on. Why am I not picking up enough? I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits. Guys, come to the Facebook group, see what we are up to. There is this recipe challenge this month that's super fun. And the design team also scrap lifted each other for one of our layouts this month. So it's kind of fun. I had so much fun doing Kat's scrap lift. She is fabulous, and it was this great jumping off point. So I will have all the links down below, still shots to follow. And guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends. You know what, guys? I thought I'd show you how cute it looks with my little splatty bits on there and the extra little sequin bits. I know I told you. See, look at those shaky. Isn't that cute with the little shaker pockets? Didn't mean to have 3, but it just happened when I saw those great frames and how well they matched. So now I will have still shots to follow, guys. You guys have the very best day, and I can't wait to keep scrapping. Still shots right there.